Here it is. We're in the 1% though. That goes from north to south in a single day. That's epic. Check this out, guys. Look at this sick view.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? In this video, I'm going to introduce or show you guys how to find and how to acquire the partnership attribute. There is one single geocache that has the partnership attribute on the cache page. So if you don't have that attribute, but you want to find it, stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. All right, so before we get into the geocache that has this attribute on the cache page, the way I came across this was there's a challenge cache in Florida that requires one attribute fizzy to qualify for the challenge. And I was looking at that particular challenge because I like to find attribute fizzies, and I was typing in other like different people's names into the checker, and this particular geocacher, I think he's from like the Kansas City area. His name's Dr. Powercat, and he loves fizzies. And I give you kudos, sir, because you're the reason I was able to even find this geocache to begin with, because I ran his name through this checker, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll be able to see that he has this attribute. I'm going to walk you through that process, and then I'm going to show you the geocache that you're looking to get in order to find and get this attribute. All right, here we are on the geocaching page for this particular geochecker. If it looks familiar, it's probably because it was in another video, another tutorial of mine. The GC code is GC9AAXA. What we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to delete my name, and we're going to type in his name. And because I type it in frequently, it pops up. Now I can run the checker for this particular person just by typing in his name and then hitting run checker. And what it's going to do is it's going to propagate the search, the results, and it's going to tell you that he has 28 different attribute fizzies. And you'll see right here that he has the partnership cache. He's got it. And there's a check mark on this box. So all you have to do to figure out what geocache this is go on this little check mark here. You're going to click on it away from this website, and boom, bring you up to this website or this GC code. All right, so here we are on the cache page. It is called Dinosaur Train Orictodromeus. And you'll see that if you look right over here, it does have the partnership attribute on the cache page, which is amazing because that gives you a very rare attribute that most people probably do not have. According to this right here, it has 1,345 people have this attribute. Right here is really the hours that you're going to need to do, because this cache is actually inside like the building there, and the summer hours are Tuesday through Thursday, noon to 4 p.m., Friday and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if you're going to go during the winter hours, which is September through May, it's Tuesday through Friday, noon to 4, Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you want to read more about this, or you want to, kind of do a little more digging, feel free to. You can go to the GC code GC2AV3J, and it will bring you right to this geocaching page. Again, this is how you find the partnership attribute cache. If you want to know where it is, let's zoom out on the map here, and it is near Nashville, Tennessee. All right, that's going to do it for me right here on this partnership attribute tutorial. If you're not a geocaching with Triple P subscriber, I hope you guys will consider subscribing so you can help me reach my sub goal of 330 subs. I will see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.